So good people, this is your boy Mkababa DMC all the way from Msotra Bafetu, Pimtown, Kasilamakasi Bafetu, and you're now tuning into A Day in Second Street Bafetu. As I'm about to hit you with a massive performance Bafetu, please do enjoy and subscribe.
Mkababa Bello Asa, ngifana ngivele ngibaphathisa ikhani bathi ngizeza ngcono mase ngirepa ngale dala nepeni lashelela i325 like a truck khopha ekuthiya wana vula vali iminingami ababelieve ukuthi ngibashiya bonke njengePakistani lasekhasi ngiphethe konke akekho phakamela mina ngwinya konke bathi ngumandla sonke ngamabhazi nyabaqela sekhuzena ustana wathi mfana baxolele bathi nyenza kakhulu ngivusa pro emathuneni back sebone party ngibathela ngentelezi bangarasa bakhathale kodwa mina umesi asambe sobabona wena mfana thenga icase sesishiso kobig nazilona umlilo ungawulokothi ushilo Brenda fast wathi indaba yami straight manje ngicela ungangidisturb ngoba ngifuna lama coin all the pops when you see Mkababa ngoba ngijima kakhulu kwebototho kwenza slide thula amaboda manje ngidabele vote zokushiya ukhamisile uvela uzibona ungasindoda thula amaboda manje ngidabele vote zokushiya ukhamisile uvela uzibona ungasindoda bathi Mkababa ke lo asa ngithi dala nginitshela ngale ngoma emnandi fast cash ama meets astali waphebo lwathi ningathi yabagcwali umculo wami lisothi yathangikana dala nginitshela ngale ngoma emnandi fast cash ama meets astali waphebo lwathi ningathi yabagcwali umculo wami lisothi yathangikana manje ngithi sweeper ngathi skipper ngathi uyangisipha be ithi wena sweeper